late for the train. The air was cold. Elara did not feel good. She was running very fast. She was late for the train. She held her brown bag tight. Her red hair blew in the wind. She looked at the sign, Platform 7, Eternity Express. The big black train was making a lot of smoke. It was ready to leave. Elara ran too fast and almost fell. Her old watch dropped on the ground. She missed the train. Just then, a man reached out his hand. He did not help her up. He gave her a small purple flower. Elara looked up. The man had dark hair and a kind smile. He wore a long coat. He had a book under his arm. A friendly dog sat next to him. The dog's tail tapped the ground. The train made a loud noise and started to move. Elara knew she was too late. She missed it. But when she looked at the man, she felt quiet and calm. He understood. The big castle behind them looked pretty in the sun.
You missed your train, didn't you?
He asked. His voice was soft and warm. Elara finally smiled. Yes, I did. She said. She took the flower. But maybe I didn't miss this. The train went away. Elara was still on the platform with the man. She felt happy. Being late led her to something new and nice.